In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate a photo in Lightroom Classic quickly and accurately. Whether you need a simple 90-degree turn or a precise straightening adjustment, Lightroom Classic gives you both options, and the best part is, it only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Lightroom tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Adobe Lightroom Classic and go to the Develop module. This is where all of your main editing tools are located, including the options for rotating and straightening your image. Once you're in Develop, look for the Crop Overlay tool. You can also press the letter R on your keyboard as a shortcut. That immediately opens the crop and rotation controls, which is the best method if you want precise control over the angle of your photo. Now, if your photo is slightly tilted, you can rotate it by using the angle slider. Just move the slider left or right until the image looks level. This is especially useful for fixing horizons, buildings, or any photo where straight lines need to look natural. You can also click and drag outside the image corners to manually rotate it until it looks right. Another very helpful option is the Straighten tool. When you click this tool, your cursor changes so you can draw a line along something that should be perfectly straight, like a horizon or the edge of a wall. Once you release the mouse, Lightroom Classic automatically rotates the photo to match that line. This is one of the easiest ways to get a clean, professional-looking result without guessing the angle yourself. If you only want to quickly rotate the image by 90 degrees, Lightroom Classic has simple keyboard shortcuts for that too. Press Ctrl and the right bracket to rotate the photo to the right. Press Ctrl and the left bracket to rotate the photo to the left. These shortcuts are perfect when the image was imported sideways and you just need a fast correction without opening extra tools, so remember the difference. Use the crop tool when you need precision, especially for leveling horizons or making small angle adjustments. Use the keyboard shortcuts when you want a fast 90-degree rotation. Both methods are useful, and knowing when to use each one can save you a lot of time during your editing workflow. Once you've finished rotating the photo, just press Enter or click Done to apply the changes, and that's it. You now know how to rotate a photo in Lightroom Classic using both the precise crop method and the quick shortcut method. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more Lightroom Classic tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.